Today, we're making pumpkin spice ice cream. Start off by adding 2 cups of milk to a pot. Next, we're going to scrape the half of 1 vanilla bean. Make sure to get all the seeds out and put the pod in the milk as well. Add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, 1 1/4 teaspoon of ice cream stabilizer, and 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. Stir the ingredients and bring to a boil for about 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and set aside. In another bowl, add the remaining sugar and 4 egg yolks. Mix the ingredients together until triple in size and light in color. This is what we call the ribbon stage. Stir in 1 cup of the warm liquid into the egg mixture. Mix until combined and then add the remaining liquid. This will prevent the eggs from scrambling. Add your cold whipping cream. This is going to bring down the temperature to allow you to put the ice cream base directly into your machine. Grab your ice cream machine and let's add in the base. This machine will make 1 1/2 quarts of ice cream easily. Just press start and we're going to wait about 40 to 60 minutes to make the ice cream. If your base is colder, it should take less time. While we're waiting for the ice cream to spin, now is the perfect time to give us a like, send us a comment below, let us know if you have any questions at this point. Alright, let's continue. The way I can tell the ice cream's finished with this machine is the paddle stops moving. But with your ice cream machine, if you get to the texture where it's soft serve, a little firmer, that's when you know it's done. We then can place the ice cream into a container and let harden in the freezer until we want to serve it. Bonus tip, when you put your ice cream in the freezer, make sure to add a layer of parchment or wax paper. That's going to prevent any skin from forming on top. Now, let's add it to a cone, cup, sundae, milkshake, or just enjoy it as it is. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post another recipe.